Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Kuchikoo Kids channel. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Here you will discover all about shapes and colors. Let's start by learning the alphabet by drawing.
Now it's time for letter O. O for orange. Let's start making the outline for our orange circle. And a slice as well. Now it's time to add the color to our orange. So our orange will be orange. We're going to do the same for the slice. We're going to use for the peel orange color. And we'll do the same for the inside. Let's finish our orange with some details. We're going to use brown and green for the leaf. Just a few more details and we're done. There you have it, kids. Fresh orange. Now let's make some orange juice. I think we forgot to color our letter O. Let's color it with light pink. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this with other people. Thank you for watching!